why sleds zoom down hills? Sledding is so much fun, but did you know sledding is also science? When you sit on a sled at the top of a hill, something special is ready to help you move. It's called gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls things down. Gravity pulls everything toward the ground. When your sled starts going down the hill, that's gravity doing its job. Sometimes, before you go, someone gives your sled a little push. A push helps your sled start moving. Once your sled begins to move, gravity keeps pulling it down the hill. Now let's talk about something that can slow your sled down. This is called friction. Friction happens when things rub together. Smooth snow has less friction, so sleds can move fast. Bumpy snow or rough ground has more friction, so sleds slow down. That's why sleds slide easily on smooth, icy snow, and slow way down on grass or rough patches. Let's look at the hills. A small hill makes a slower ride. A taller hill makes a faster ride. A steep hill lets gravity pull even more, so the sled goes faster. So what makes sledding work? Gravity pulls your sled down the hill. A push helps your sled get started. Friction can slow your sled down. Sledding isn't just fun, it's physics in action. Now you're ready to test gravity, pushes, friction, and hills. Just like a real sledding scientist.